Hi guys, last video number 10. For those of you who are bilingual, most of us working in Florida, we speak Spanish and we speak Portuguese too. So this is our video number 10 where I'm going to show you where you can find, not now. Please make sure to give me 5 stars. No, just kidding. If you like, that helps. That I'll be really thankful. But again, we're not playing with the project yet. We're not playing with scheduling. We're not checking out the awesome news. We are working with the forms, and we have a Spanish speaker coming or a Portuguese speaker coming. We want to give them Spanish or Portuguese forms to fill out. We go either on customized edit forms or on plus. And we are going to, not plus, sorry. Plus is for the client to fill out. So we're going to customize edit forms because we need to customize it. Also, anytime you want to change, let's pretend you change your address, you can go back here and change the address, okay? Now, you have a Portuguese or a Spanish speaker client coming. You want to add, you can add template from our different languages. So you have the little flag here, Spanish forms, Portuguese forms. Say you like our Spanish forms, you want to use them. You can go here, you can look at what the form looks like, and you can add to my forms. Okay, so that's been added to your template forms. What does that mean? It means that next time you have a client coming in and you want to click on plus so you can pick which form they're going to fill, look what's here. Ficha de anamnesis, which is a constant form in Spanish. You don't give them this because this is in English, but it's here, okay? And then you can give it to your client. Your client can start filling it out, just like the ones in English. They have to type, they have to make sure that they're reading everything okay, and they have to firma, sign, and then, you know, done is in English, but you just make sure that you're there and you can click on done for them if they want, okay? Again, if I want to add another one from the templates from different languages, you can go here, add template form library, where there's 2 little flags of Spain and Portugal. I can add this to my forms, like this one is in Portuguese. Okay, so next time a client comes in, I have it here already in my templates. So I can pick this one and it shows me the check here. If the client says, oh no, it's okay, I can fill out the form in English, don't worry about it. So just unclick it and choose the forms, 1 or more in English, okay? The client can fill out 1 form or 10 or 20, as many as you pick here or unpick. So when there's a check mark, it means that's been picked for the client to fill out. Click on done when ready. Form is ready for the client to start filling. All right, that's it for today. That's how you use the forms. Need to find the form, start typing on the client's name, or just scroll down. So I put F. We don't have anybody with the name F, so nothing showed. But if I put Anna, it will show here already. It's usually here already, but it's always, you know, this is going to be full. But, you know, after you have all your clients and folders in here, this is going to be full, so I recommend you just look for it here. And this is an iPad, but you can also use the app on Android phone. Okay, on the Android phone, looks like this too, right? So here are the forms. Okay, this is for your Android phone over here, and also for iPhone. So anything mobile with Android or Apple operational system, you can use the Microblading app. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and we have customer service, like again you can see on video number 1, showing you where to talk to us. We have cute little messenger bot and also live agent chat in our website, almost 24/7 to help you use our app. And we hope you enjoy it and save tons of money for your small business by going paperless and save planet Earth. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have a great day. Beijos. Tchau, tchau.